fun. I can't be stopped right now. It's crazy, but listen, I'm getting back into Windows a bit, and there are lots of little things I don't know how to do. There, I installed Windows in a VirtualBox, a virtual machine, and obviously, well, it's slow. The goal is to demonstrate Windows optimization. Briefly, it's a clever trick, not delving into all the optimization specifics. But there's a method by checking two boxes to already make your life easier. So I recommend that we proceed on my brand new computer machine. Here you have the search bar at the bottom, so you click on it. So I put big cursors so that you can see well what I type. And where is my mouse? And you type performance, and there you should see an option, a program called Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. So it is in the settings of the control panel, and you will end up with that, as it allows you to customize the visual and operational aspects of your Windows system. So there are lots of little things you can look at in detail. My goal is not to see everything. For optimal performance, I suggest clicking on the Adjust option to obtain the best possible performance for your needs. Basically, it unchecks everything. This removes the smoothing of the polished, this removes all translucent optimizations, etc. Your Windows OS will be less attractive, but it will run faster. Afterward, you can do your tasks. If something really bothers you, you can make changes. Then we will go to Advance. This is where it gets interesting because in moving forward, there is something called virtual memory. Here you can see that the size of my drive's swap file is 5632 MB. But when I click on Edit and look further down, the total size of the swap file for all drives is recommended to be 5586 MB, but currently, what is allocated is 5632 MB. As per Windows, the suggested allocation is 5586, but in actuality, only 5632 megabytes are allocated. Hence, we will slightly enhance the allocation to maximize its performance. After, the thing is that some will have much less than that, so that's why my example may not be obvious. There is not much difference, but sometimes there is a big difference. You can be at 640 MB, and in recommended size, same 5000 and some dust. To manually modify this setting, you will need to uncheck the small box that is located there, which is for the automatic management of swap files, and you will need to go to the custom size option. When customizing the size, you need to set the initial size to 5586 and the maximum size to 5586 in order to meet your requirements. In that specific location, usually, we are in a good state. We are going to define. There you go, tic-tac. That's the usual scenario. Clearly, he will definitely ask you to reboot, so we reboot and see what happens and analyze the outcome. See you shortly. Well, there you go. My computer has completed restarting, so we are going back to my Windows desktop. I do not know if you will see it on the video, because it can be a bit discreet, but if we go back to Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows, you click here, we will check that everything is in place normally. It should do it here. I put the window there, so all the animations have been disabled perfectly, and in the advanced settings, I have my 5506 that have come back, which are indeed the size recommended by Windows. So I gain it a little in swap files, which will allow to speed up the computer a bit. Additionally, I have made adjustments in the advanced settings to optimize the performance of Windows. And there you go, listen up. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I will see you soon and have a fantastic weekend. Come on, take care. Bye for now.